amazing forest behind us. And we come out to this beautiful, beautiful path. Bit of a headwind, but check this path out. How awesome is that? Now I know if you're not a skater, you go, yeah, it's just another path. Well, hey, we are skaters. I have been for over 20 years. And although I don't teach anymore, I still skate. And I love this, even though right now I've got a headwind. We're feeling good, looking amazing. Well, actually Anna's looking amazing, check that out. I don't look quite so amazing, but she is, so she looks amazing enough for the two of us. So yeah, about 20 odd kilometres so far and thoroughly enjoying it. Super smooth here. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Welcome to Germany. So where are we going towards? Luckenwald.
Janikendorf.
Janikendorf. I knew that. So anyway, we found this place and we found cappuccino, thank you very much, and we found food because in this part of southwest of Berlin everything is literally closed. Even the pubs are closed on Saturday nights. It's dead. So there's this place here which is supposed to be a skater cafe stroke hotel. All of it is closed. It's unbelievable. And we've done about 26 kilometers this morning and we're about roughly halfway, so we need some sustenance and a bit of a foot break because our feet are aching. So Anna, show us where we started on the map. Where did we start?
Here.
Yeah, and then where do we go? Down there, there. And now we're here. Not far to go. As Anna would say, Mamma mia. We finally found somewhere where we can get a takeaway coffee sitting on this bench, which is actually really pretty, and I think we've got a hummus falafel which we're going to dig into in a minute, so this is definitely welcome, isn't it?
Very good. Very fine.
Given that everything, literally everywhere is closed. It's unbelievable. Anyway, cheers. Beautiful, look at this little house here in the pine forests in Germany. How gorgeous. Lovely. Being a bit naughty photographing them really, but hey, it's only out of appreciation. The smell of the pine is, oh, so strong. Shame I can't record the smell on the camera.